Water treatment plant is a plant where the water that has become impure or the water which is already impure. Impurities could be sand, turbidity, silica, ions, which are basically filtered out through the help of mechanical as well as chemical process, and then water is again reutilized. Could be for different purposes, could be for industry, could be for drinking, could be again for agriculture, and according to the different purpose they are filtered different according to different categories in different way. Like say this is a water treatment plant, it's basically meant for industrial water treatment. As you see, different machineries are here. This is basically part of a thermal power plant so that the water can be treated and again be reutilized. So labs are here to check the water quality control. Say for in this one the silica should be less than 0.02 parts per million. So basically it's a storage for water. Now this is called the SAR, solid clarify reactor. You see, this is an agitator, a big agitator. So its function is to agitate the whole water inside this tank, big tank, and the microparticles they combine together to form the macroparticles, and finally they form a sludge, which is then taken out from this tank. So there you can see a small tank over there, that's the sludge. The sludge is taken out. And the chemical is fed through this pipe which comes into this SAR. So you can see there's a dosing point. From there the chemical is fed into this tank. So that was the mechanical part, and over here is the chemical part. So there are 3 units, you can see 3 tanks in them. So basically what this is SAC, SBA and MB. So SAC means the strong acid cations, SBA is the strong base anions, and MB is the mixed bed. And then there comes the ultrafiltration. After this process is the ultrafiltration. Now you can see this one, this is a storage, the storage for the ultrafiltration. So as I said, this is the SBA, that means strong base anions and strong acid anions, and third is the mixed bed. So you can see over here the positive and negative charges are filtered out. So you can see that like there are 2 units over here, and this water getting stored over here after coming from the mixed bed. These are the dosing points from which the chemicals are pushed. See, these are the dosing kind of injectors. So this ultrafiltration over here, And this side over here, this is the final one, the RO, reverse osmosis, which actually takes out 99% of the minerals out of the water and left with only 1% of minerals, which acidic value is a pH value of 6.5, which makes it acidic. And this water is used for the thermal power plant. It goes inside the furnace boiler, the steam is produced, and then it's used for moving the turbines to make electricity. This is the whole last process, the RO, reverse osmosis. And this is the huge storage water capacity, and this is the flow diagram of the effluent treatment plant. Capacity of 1200 KLD. So this whole process is within this flow chart. This pH correction injector tanks. And there you go. Kaushik Sarkar, Explorer.